Of course, we have all our veterans, their family, and friends. And I want to tell you just a couple of things about my favorite student. He will also tell you that I'm his favorite principal. It does go both ways. But he continues to give back to this day to the Sanborn community. He's regularly running events to keep Sanborn alumni together. I never have anything to give him, so today I'm going to give him two things. It says I'm from the old school.
And then dedication that's going to the school today.
To be united in our goal, always remember the longer with us. Single roses, that they symbolize family and friends who keep the faith, waiting to return, missing service members.
So again, a round of applause for our two students, Aaron Palupo and Olivia DeLay, for helping us with that ceremony.
Why we retire, and honor God by the Buckingham County Sheriff's Office.
On behalf of the school and the school district, I want to thank everybody for being here today.
Thank you.